Good to see you.
Is it good, really?
Always.
Okay.
You doubt it.
Not at all.
Come on.
Noma ngifaka nje kwi-hot chair but ke at least ngihlele endaweni enejina sakwa yabona nje.
Yini manje ijini sekho? Yathi ijini sekhwapheni. Yini ijini sekho?
No, I never vavum.
So non-payment and Sean Mkhize, I don't understand.
Go to my book. If you lacking factual stories, you'll find a bit of factual stories there.
You complain, but you're okay with it. That won't make sense to anybody because
No,
if you
I've complained.
complain,
I was like, why are my games always on TV when I'm away or I'm home? Or
is any of your players heading off somewhere, not in South Africa, outside of the borders of the country?
I don't know about that.
So was it a case of the contract being finished or the player also being finished?
Guys, why are you saying that?
I can see you dribbling me here. But,
I'm not.
President, let's so your bank account is not 4 million lighter.
Are you talking about today? That's the past, Robert. Let's keep it there. Can we?
But what is the problem? Why would a ticket holding Mama Joy not be allowed into a stadium?
I don't know. I'm not the one who didn't allow it to the stadium. It's only 90 minutes, man.
But they're violating a person's constitutional right.
Oh, Nkosi yami.
No, this is not controversy. This is a violation.
Oh my goodness, Rob.
But it also... But you know what? No. Sean Mkhize, what do you wish for yourself?
I wish I could go to the moon now,
To the moon?
Yeah, to the moon, yeah, and visit.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. We trend Mkhize after her interview with Robert Marawa lapha radio station, and Robert Marawa was asking her questions, and onke my questions bekambuta ona onje bekangekho interested ekwaphenduleni, akakaphenduli not even a single question, bekavela hleke njena ambuke angaphenduli, and people felt ukuthi bana nangumhlolo. Why do you agree kuba ne-interview nemuntu knowing very well ukuthi you don't want to answer questions? And people felt ukuthi wasiphoqa nangumuntu nangithina sihleli la silalele uyambuta Robert Marawa ama-questions siyeva ukuthi ongakawaphenduli, why angazange prepare. And mina I don't think ukuthi i-issue lana kube kungaprepare kwe-interview nje, kube igoni attitude ukuthi like she just didn't want to answer lama questions bebambuta on. Akusiko ukuthi bekangaphrepare, net bekangafuni nje kuwaphendula lama questions, because if we are go interview, maybe radio interview or TV interview, like bakusendela ama questions prior to the interview, bakusendela ama questions so that na uwafunze ubone ukuthi okay batombuta lo, this is how you gonna answer. Abaveli bakudume nje bakubude into labanga tona prior to the interview. So like people are just so disappointed ukuthi we ngabe uthlalele endlini njena wangahluphi nokuthi hlupha because nje let into ekhuluma kade make sense. Lo bakubuta kona ufuna ukuphendula, we don't know ukuthi ahle lapha kule interview utowendani and why did you agree kuya laphana ku-interview knowing very well ukuthi awufuni kuphendula lutho wena. So people are just saying ukuthi hayi nangumhlolo wethu lona bo uyaphi kahle Mkhize ngoba ngabe udihlalile ikhaya lakho. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. So goodbye.